Hello everyone, this is Jumi Kalita, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, Assam Downtown University, and today we will discuss about Human Resource Audit. So, as we all know, right, an annual health checkup is very important to identify any kind of hidden problem of human body. Like that, HR audit is also important to identify the problems of each department of an organization. A human resource audit evaluates the personal activities used in an organization. The audit may include one division or entire company. It gives feedback about the function of operating managers, the human resource specialist, and how well managers are meeting their human resource duties. So, what is the meaning of the function of operating managers? Okay, it means managing the process of creation of goods and services. It also involves planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling all the resources needed to produce a company's goods and services. The human resource specialist. The role of a human resource specialist is to recruit, support, train, and place employees of a company. Depending on the company's size, a human resource department may have multiple specialists to perform specific tasks. So, the third feedback is how well managers are meeting their human resource duties. Well, all managers need to plan, direct, and coordinate the administrative functions of an organization. In short, the audit is an overall quality control check on human resource activities in a division or company and how those activities support the organization's strategy to reach its goal. So now we will discuss about HRD audit. So HRD means human resource development. So human resource development audit is a comprehensive evaluation of the existing human resource department. So it looks after the structure of the company, the strategies, the systems, styles, skills, and culture. So the structure is the structure of the organization, and the strategies is the long-term strategy or maybe the short-term strategy. And the system is also the structure of the organization, of how an organization is set up and what the system they are developing to operate their services. Styles. It means a different kind of managerial style. It may be autocratic, it may be like free reign, it may be democratic. Skills and competencies. It is the abilities of the employees, like what are the skills the employees have, what are the competencies the employees have. Culture. So culture of the organization is like values and ethics of the organization and their appropriateness to achieve the short-term and long-term goals of the organization. Okay, here we need to know four important things. First one is business linkage, then is competency score, next systems maturity, and culture. So what is business linkage? It is a process of analyzing the combination of different sources of data like customers, employees, partners, and operations. Uncover important relationships among important variables like call handle time and customer satisfaction. Competency score. The term competency is used to denote a way of interpreting scores on a performance scale. Systems maturity. It is a key system performance measure which include projected system performance or effectiveness based on component performance capabilities. Culture. Organizational culture is a system of shared assumptions, values, and beliefs which governs how people behave in organizations. These shared values have a strong influence on the people in the organization and dictate how they dress, they act, and they perform their jobs. So next topic is the role of HRD audit in business improvements. So what is the role of HRD audit in business improvements? So first is improvements in HRD systems. Okay, so there are lots of HRD systems like performance appraisal, where we can measure an employee's performance relative to the performance standard. Induction training, which is called orientation also, job rotation, then career planning and promotion policies, mentoring and communication. And the next is increased focus on human resources and human competencies. One of the results of HR audit is to focus on knowledge, attitudes, and skills required by the employees in the organization. The audit establishes a system of role clarity and fixing the accountabilities. More sensitivity is developed to the missing aspects of competencies. The next is better recruitment policies and more professional staff. One of the results of HR audit is to focus on knowledge, attitudes, and skills required by the employees in an organization. The audit establishes a system of better recruitment policies and it develops the more professional staff. Next is more planning and more cost-effective training. The identification of training needs and utilization of training of inputs and learning for organizational growth and learning for development are assessed. As direct investments are made in training, any cost benefit analysis draws the attention of the top management and HR managers to the training function with relative ease. Strengthening accountabilities through appraisal systems and other mechanisms. HR audit gives the existing state of the accountability of employees. This gets assessed through performance appraisal as well as through work culture. Thank you so much. In next class, we will discuss about the octopus culture.